So OnePlus 8 Pro is the latest offering from once a flagship killer company, the OnePlus. The phone comes with the latest flagship hardware one can dream of in an Android device. The phone has the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G chipset with 8GB of RAM and a base storage of 128GB. When it comes to the camera department, the phone comes with a main camera of 48 megapixel from Sony and a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens. There's also a secondary 8 megapixel telephoto camera and strangely a 5 megapixel color filter lens with an aperture of f2.4. And this is where things get interesting. Now, if you had seen the launch event of OnePlus 8 series, then the company hardly spoke about this color filter lens. At first, it looked like even OnePlus was not interested in the lens, but had to include the hardware just to justify the flagship price tag. It was only until the retail unit was available and the users started noticing that the color filter camera had the potential to see through different plastic objects like a TV remote, game controllers and some other devices. The color filter camera was able to see through thin black plastic, and this raised a big question: if the cameras could see through clothes. Now it also looks like that OnePlus was fully aware of this, and that's why the option to use the color filter camera is hidden at the very end and cannot be found as a direct option in the camera app of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now if you have a OnePlus 8 Pro and you have already started looking for it, then it's under filters option and it's called Photochrome. But I won't be surprised if you can no more see that option now, as the company has already decided to remove the functionality at the software level. While I understand people are excited about it, you would be surprised to know that this tech has existed for a long time and it's not something new. It can be found in some specific old Fuji and Sony handheld cameras, but those devices were built for a specific purpose. There are articles online if you're more interested. This begs the question that why did OnePlus add this extra lens, and was OnePlus aware that the lens could see through other devices? I mean, why would OnePlus add an extra hardware to the device and increase the price of the device? Not having the lens would have also reduced the overall cost of the device, and the benefits could have been passed to the end users. Just like OnePlus has been doing it by not getting their flagship devices certified for being waterproof, though the devices are. Or is it that OnePlus was fully aware of the lens capabilities and did not openly wanted to accept it? I mean, think about this. This has got the technology world talking about the device, and this is free publicity for the OnePlus devices. Or maybe the lens was added keeping some other features in mind while finalizing the design, but they did not have enough time to implement it. I think only the next generation devices can answer this question. Whatever the cause, OnePlus has already made a statement that they will be deactivating the option in the next software update. This has already started in China. Will this be done in other regions too? Still remains a question. I personally think this is a very cool take on a smartphone, as this is a departure from the standard features we've been seeing lately in the latest smartphones. Think about it. They were handheld cameras made with this specific feature, and now it's on a phone. I mean, unless it gets banned. Honestly, I think even if OnePlus removes it at a software level, the hardware is still present on the phone, and third parties can make apps to take advantage of it. Okay, do let me know in the comments section what do you feel about this tech, and should OnePlus move the feature completely? If so, would you still pay the same price for the OnePlus 8 Pro? In the end, I would just like to say that stay at home, stay safe and away from OnePlus 8 Pro users, especially if you're wearing black. Just before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Take care guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.